Up, down, up, down, up. One more time. Up, down, up, down, up, down. 6, 40. 1. Stress and relief. Ha! Yeah. Three whistles for me.
Kids, it's a tough thing. Kids are studs. This is me looking like I want to be talking to you, but I actually just want a break because they're too good.
Everybody over here.
And as the president said, I'm lost on time, 2 days ago now, in the cabinet meeting, sitting right next to him. He looks in the camera and says, well, Iran can either do it the right way, with a deal across the table, or they can deal with my guy on the left. That happened to be me. But it's not me, it's you guys. Yeah.